Hi everyone, this is Miss Granger. I hope you all had a nice weekend, and clearly I'm not in class today. Everything's fine. I'm just at an IB conference in Los Angeles today. I will be back to see you in class on Thursday. So I'll go through this video just so you know what to expect for today with our guest teacher. First of all, you should be sitting in your home base seat. If you're not in your home base seat, please go there now. You're also going to listen to the guest teacher for how they are going to begin class. Your agenda today, like usual, I'll go over some reminders and announcements, and then we'll jump right into Unit 5 work time. Here's what you'll need to know for today. Today you're going to click through this particular slideshow, and that will help guide your work and give you more direction. You'll stay in your home base seat for the entire class period. Please be respectful to the guest teacher and your fellow classmates. This would include using the restroom. If you need to use the restroom, please be quick about it. Usually there's a line and we don't want to take forever. We want to be respectful of other students who also need to use the restroom. So go and come back. Next, please stay on task. This is a really good opportunity to kind of get caught up or even get ahead on our work. Don't worry about checking off your work on the tracker today, like the big screen tracker. We'll do that when I come back. And if you don't have your Chromebook today, please share with the person next to you. Finally, there will be no mastery checks today. We will do all the mastery checks when I come back. So you're just prioritizing getting those lessons watched, do the notes, do the activities, etc. You'll turn in any completed lessons and then pick up the next lesson. I am available through email. Here's my email. You can email me at any point during class or today. Here's our calendar. Remember that our calendar got a little wonky because of the missed school days because of the storm. So go ahead and make these adjustments on your calendar. Today you're focusing on lesson 4, not lesson 5, but lesson 4. Ideally, you're getting this done before the end of class today, but if not, you're working on that outside of class. Our objective is students will demonstrate knowledge and understanding of content by using vocabulary in context, just like we've been using all of those A through Z words in our mastery checks. And your goals today are to be respectful of the guest teacher and your classmates, and that you're completing everything through lesson 4. Here's our work time slide, same objective up here, basically same information in this pink box, but remember, no mastery checks today. We'll do them when I get back. You'll just move on to the next lesson instead of doing the mastery checks for today. Behind pace now is lessons 1, 2, and 3. On pace is lesson 4. That's your goal. If you are done with everything through lesson 4, you'll see the Google Classroom, you'll see this assignment called Done with Lessons 1 through 4. Click here. It's a PBS film on Edpuzzle, so you'll watch that, learn a little bit more about the Industrial Revolution, and answer some questions. If you're done with that, you'll choose from the regular list of activities by following this link. At the end of class, please clean up and leave your area just as clean as you found it, if not better. Put your folder away, return any borrowed pencils, colored pencils, etc. Push in your chair if you have one. Remember, you can always reach out to me if you have any questions. Good luck, and I will see you next time in class.